The lane departure alert function of lane tracing assist uses the vehicle's front camera, which is designed to recognize visible white or yellow lane markings on the road. This high-performance camera is designed to also recognize the boundary lines between asphalt and grass, soil, or curbstones. When the system recognizes lane boundaries, the lane indicators become solid in the multi-information display. If the system determines that the Lexus is deviating from its current lane or road, the lane departure alert function is designed to warn the driver by vibrating the steering wheel or sounding an audible alert, and the lane indicator flashes orange. When the steering assist function of lane departure alert is activated, it is designed to also apply steering assistance to help the driver in avoiding lane departure, and a blue steering assistance indicator appears in the multi-information display. When all-speed dynamic radar cruise control is in operation, the lane centering function of lane tracing assist uses the vehicle's forward camera, which is designed to recognize visible white or yellow lane markings on the road. It helps provide steering assistance to help keep the Lexus in the center of the lane with minimal swaying, even on gentle curves. The system also uses the millimeter wave radar to monitor the preceding vehicle. If lane lines become difficult to see, such as in a traffic jam, the vehicle following function can apply steering control to help follow the vehicle smoothly. A line graphic leading to the vehicle ahead appears in the multi-information display, indicating that the vehicle following function is active. If the system detects gentle meandering or abrupt steering operation, indicating that the driver may have lost concentration, vehicle sway warning is designed to alert the driver by sounding an audible alert and showing a message in the multi-information display. If the system detects that the driver's hands are off the steering wheel, the lane tracing assist hands-off wheel warning appears in the multi-information display. If the driver continues to keep their hands off the steering wheel, an audible alert is sounded and lane tracing assist is deactivated. The driver should always keep their hands on the steering wheel and be in full control of the vehicle at all times. In situations where the lane lines become difficult to see, the system is designed to estimate the lane markings to help keep the Lexus centered in the lane. Information from the camera is also used to monitor and track the paths of nearby vehicles. If the lane lines become undetectable, the system is designed to use this information in estimating the path of the Lexus to help keep it centered between the other vehicles.